Hello tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into a highly requested topic, how to configure centralized logging for a multi-account AWS setup using CloudWatch and Kinesis. If you haven't yet dabbled in these topics, don't sweat it. We are going to break it down into understandable steps, perfect for beginners. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about centralized logging. In simple terms, it's the practice of consolidating and managing all your log data from different sources in one place. This helps in easy storage, access, and analysis. For our AWS setup, we are going to use two powerful tools, AWS CloudWatch and Kinesis. AWS CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service built for DevOps engineers, developers, site reliability engineers, and IT managers. CloudWatch provides you with data and actionable insights to monitor your applications, understand and respond to system-wide performance changes, optimize resource utilization, and get a unified view of operational health. Let's see how we can leverage this service for centralized logging in our multi-account AWS setup. Next, we have AWS Kinesis, a powerful service to collect, process, and analyze real-time streaming data. The data collected can be anything from logs, social media, feeds, even telemetry from IoT devices. We'll be using Kinesis Firehose, a fully managed service for delivering real-time streaming data to destinations such as AWS services like Amazon S3, Redshift, Elasticsearch Service, as well as Splunk. Now, let's dive into the main topic, how to configure centralized logging for your multi-account AWS setup using these tools. Step 1. First, you need to collect logs from different AWS accounts. For this, set up AWS CloudWatch logs agents in your AWS resources, a few simple commands in your AWS interface, and you're done. Step 2. Next, we will set up AWS Kinesis Firehose for forwarding these logs. Navigate to the Kinesis console, create a new delivery stream and set the source as CloudWatch logs. Step 3. Once the Kinesis Firehose is configured, we need to enable CloudWatch to stream data to it. Navigate to the CloudWatch console, select your log group and choose Stream to AWS Lambda. Then, select your Kinesis delivery stream and set the right IAM permissions, and save your settings. Step 4. Finally, we need to set up the destination for these logs. This could be an S3 bucket, Elasticsearch, or even Redshift, depending on your preference. And voila, this is how you can configure centralized logging for a multi-account AWS setup using CloudWatch and Kinesis. A key thing to remember is to monitor your setup regularly to ensure optimal performance. Hopefully, this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.